Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to speak about background maps in QuantumGIS, a new plugin called QuickMapService. First, open your QuantumGIS, navigate to Plugins and Manage Plugins. Once it is open, you search on the search line QuickMapService, and this plugin will appear. You install it and the work is done. At this point, under web service, you should have this plugin displayed and all the possible maps. If the maps are not displayed, you have to go to settings and under visibility, check the box for the visibility. You save it, and at this point, all the maps should be visible on the web. Here, I just wanted to show the main maps and the main imagery that you can find with this plugin. As you can see, you have several options. Maps might be very useful for displaying the general location of your site, while imagery can be very useful to investigate and to identify several objects within your location. Thank you very much for watching.